Hi dear viewers, Professor Fayu here with another very important topic, that is the research on the human brain, the structure, the qualities, the formation of the human brain. So let's start. Human brain. Average weight of human brain is near 3 pounds. Human brain can produce 23-watt electricity. Human brain having the quality to generate 23-watt of electricity. 73% of the human brain is based on water. 73% of brain is only the water. 20% of the blood of the body and the oxygen of the body is consumed by the human brain. The other remaining 80% is consumed by total human body, and 20% of the oxygen and the human blood is consumed only by the brain. After the stopping of the heartbeat, the human brain can survive for 5 to 6 seconds. Estimated counting of the neurons in human brain is near about 100 millions. During the time when the human being is awaking, the process of working of brain is slow in comparison when the person is sleeping and having a dreams. When the person himself touches his body, so never ever the person having feel anything ordinary, because your brain known your touch and also known the effect after the touch. So that's why the person can't be feel afraid when he touch himself. Human brain works more faster during night in comparison with the day. The information traveling speed depends on the cells of the blood, the cells of the brain, because when the speed of the cells is slow, the information should be traveled slowly. When the speed of the cells of the brain is faster, then the information will travel fast, more fast. Human brain can survive and work properly up to the 10 seconds when the supply of blood is cut down to human brain. So only there is 10-second time with the brain working well. After passing the 10 seconds, the working of brain will be disturbed. If we open up the veins of the brain, then it will be covered 100 miles of distance. So you can imagine so complicatedly these veins are roll over in the brain's structure. The most complicated organ in the body is brain. Other organs are preferably less complicated, but the brain is most complicated organ in the body and more important organ in the body. So try to sleep more, because your brain work more during sleeping, and try to work during night because your brain work faster in the night. That's I am joking. Don't be take serious, but feel the difference how your brain works. So please be careful during thinking. Please remember the values when you are thinking things. So please drag yourself towards positivity, towards creativity, those things which are beneficial for you, beneficial for your society, beneficial for your community, beneficial for your family. So don't be think like a devil person, try to think like a civilized person. So this is beneficial for you and also for your community. So be careful. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and follow my informative videos. Thank you. Bye bye.